Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change default font size in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps. Now you can see here are my default font size is 18. Now I change this default font size. Now I choose, at first I select this all font, all text, then I choose 24. Now go to format menu, then click paragraph style, then click normal text, then click update normal text to match. Again go to format menu, then you can see here are paragraph style option. Now click option and click save as my default style. Now you can see here are my default font size is 24. Now go to another tab and create new Google Docs blank document, then paste your title. Now you can see here I change default font size in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.